Now let's look at how to create bingo boards in Whiteboard.chat. So what you're going to do is you first need to make your bingo boards. So there's a great site called myfreebingocards.com that you can use to generate your bingo cards. I'm just going to grab one called Numbers and show you how I do this. So let's do this one. I'm going to just grab these words. So what you'd want to do before you do this next step, you do want to come down here where it says bingo cards per page. You will need one bingo card on each page. So I'm going to change it to one large card. I'm going to say next step. And then when I get to here, I'm going to say 30 cards for free. Let's go. Once this comes up, you'll go to print all because you're going to need this in a PDF form. So you're just going to say download PDF. And then you'll have that PDF. Now, you do want to make sure when you go to save this file, I usually save it without because you don't want page 1 and you don't want page 2. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to act like I'm going to print it. And I changed my printer to save as PDF. Where it says all, I'm going to go to custom and I'm just going to do page 3 through 32. Then I'm going to say save. And I'm going to name the file. And say save. Now I have my bingo board ready to upload. Now what's cool about this is it's going to upload, and you can see my student board here. It's going to actually upload a different board for each student, so they don't get the exact same board. So over here on the left hand side, you're going to go to where it says Manage Book. You're going to click on that and you're going to come down to Upload Bingo. And then you're going to go find those bingo cards that you just saved. Let me find them. There we go. Bingo boards. So you see them right there. And I'm going to say open. So now you can see this is the teacher board right here. And you can see my board. And look at this student board right here. And then let me bring over, I have another student board here. So you can see that that is a completely different board as well. So you get different boards for each student. The cool thing about this is the kids can come over here. They can actually use their draw tool and color it in if they want. You could also have them go to the manipulatives and maybe you want them to just bring a counter over so they could actually stamp it there as well if you wanted them to do that. The cool thing about letting them, probably what I would do is have them circle it so I could at least read the words and see what it was that they had marked on there. But another cool thing is if I go to grid view, then I can see the student boards. If I click on this, I can see who is close to getting bingo. I can see what they have on their bingo board. Lots of cool things that you can do with this bingo ability.